First Lady SP of Solapur, Tejasvi Satpute, has become the first SP of Solapur to stop the illegal liquor business through her innovative campaign Operation Parivartan.
Solapur is a district which has been affected by many illegal businesses. So many people, including children, women, and elders, are involved in easy money making policy. One of them is liquor trading. The business is carried out in almost every village of Solapur district. Mulegaon Tanda is at the top of the list. The police used to raid country liquor dens, but they couldn't stop the business completely. But the Lady SP of Solapur, Tejasvi Satpute, has launched a campaign named Operation Parivartan and brought many families out of this illegal business with the help of three-dimensional actions: raiding, counseling, and rehabilitation. She raided, counseled, rehabilitated, and conquered. That is what happened with the dashing police officer. Tejasvi Satpute focused on her initiative while interacting with WhatsApp English News.
Operation Parivartan is basically not only taking actions but completely changing the attitude and mind of the people who are producing, distributing, and selling the country liquor. So it's not only about going and doing raids over there and registering the cases and arresting the people. It's about doing all these things, and with it additionally counseling them. After counseling, when they get ready for the alternate livelihood, helping them out for getting the loans or getting the benefits of the government schemes to them, giving them all the information, helping them out in gathering the required documents, etc. And hence rehabilitate them in other legal ways of livelihood and completely change their mind and attitude towards this country liquor, taking them away from it and trying to give them the dignified way of the livelihood. Actually, when I took the charge, before that also I had heard from many sources that Solapur has an affected area of country liquor, and there is huge production of country liquor. When I came here, I could see like huge quantity of the production when I myself went along with my team for the raids. And then I saw how many raids we do every year. So past many years we studied that every year in Solapur there are hundreds and thousands of cases made, hundreds of accused are arrested, and still it is continued. It's not stopping. So for if we want to stop this, then raid cannot be the answer to it, because we have been doing it for years and still it's not working out. So what else could be done? So we started thinking over it, and then we came on these 4 points that we have to first make awareness among the people who are drinking this countryside liquor, that it is unhealthy, unsafe, and they should not drink it. So if the demand is going down, the production will automatically go down. Now secondly, we came to the production. We decided to frequently visit the places and frequently raid, because if we are raiding once in 15 days or once in a month, between two raids, they do earn easy money out of the country liquor. So we decided that we will raid it frequently, at least twice a week, so that every third day we are going there and checking there, and every third day we are destroying whatever is seen over there, and so it will not be affordable business for them anymore. So once they accept this fact that this is not acceptable by police now, and every third day the raids will be happening, so they will start thinking about the alternate things. We will do the counseling. We will try to find out what other interests they have regarding the businesses, and then we will help them out accordingly, and the transformation would be done from illegal thing to a dignified livelihood.
The campaign Operation Parivartan has transformed the lives of more than 100 families of rural areas of Solapur. The campaign of Solapur Rural Police has shown the right path to live their lives. These families have adopted legal businesses for their livelihood. Some have restarted their farming, some shops, some milk business, and some have started working under the government schemes like Manrega.
If we think about the number of people dependent on this particular illegal business, there are 100 plus villages where production is happening. There are villages like Muregaon Tanda where in a single village there are like number of hatbhattis, number of furnaces like 30 or 40 in one particular village. There are other villages where it is only one or two. So there are 100 plus such villages or tandas where this production happens, and there are plus 150 places where this sale happens. And if we think about the people producing it, it's around 500 families who produce it, and there are equal number of families who distribute or sell it, and there must be people in thousands or even in lakhs who drink it. So it's about around 1000 families, the rehabilitation of 1000 families whose livelihood, whose income is depend on this particular illicit liquor business. So we started gathering information about them. We got a particular format in which we started filling the information, in which we were taking their name, their age, for how long they are doing this illicit business, what is their income out of it, how many dependent people are over there in their family, and what else would they like to do. So, and then the family photograph everything just for a record sake. And then we bifurcated the data, like what are the age groups, and like what interest wise, like how many are interested in farming, how many are interested in fruits, how many are interested in pashupalan, like other things like kirana store, grocery, or the similar things where like less investment and immediate income could be started. And based on which we started one by one. By now it is 50 plus people who have already started some kind of small businesses like a grocery shop or a tea stall or a vada pav stall or a pan patti, like that. And there are 50 plus people who were already having their own farm land, but because hatbhatti was a easy money, they had got diverted and misguided towards the hatbhatti. So there are 50 plus people who have gone back to their original business of agriculture, and now they are approaching us with their documents for having the water conservation sites at their places through Manrega or other agriculture schemes. And as I earlier said, there are 50 plus people who had around 15,000, 20,000 rupees available with them for the investment, and they started with a small scale, and now they are approaching for the loans from the bank so that they can expand their businesses like grocery shop or ironing shop and everything. So like for them we are making the funds available from the self-help groups and banks as well as the government schemes.
She is Jyotsna Manjulkar. Her husband Vijay used to sell the country liquor. She was struggling a lot with the business, but now they have started a new clothes shop and enjoying a respectful life. She didn't have enough money for the business, so she used a trick and overcame the financial problem. She could change her life with the help of Operation Parivartan.
पहिल्यांदा माझा दारूचा धंदा होता माझ्या नवऱ्याचा. तर त्यांच्या ते धंद्याला मी कंटाळून साहेबांनी मला प्रोत्साहन केले. भोसले साहेब, हंचाटे साहेब यांनी की ते धंदा वाईट आहे, ते आहे, लेकरांवर परिणाम होत आहे असं प्रोत्साहन केलेत, मला सांगितले, समजवलेत. त्याच्यामुळं मी ते आता बंद करून आणि नवीन मार्गाला लागायचा विचार केले. मग मला कपड्याचं दुकान लावायचं आठवलं. मग त्याच्यामध्ये मला माहिती असल्यामुळं मी दुकान टाकलं. तर सध्याला मी कपड्याचे दुकान चालवत आहे, आणि आता सध्याला तर माझं दुकान पण छान चालत आहे. आणि साहेबांच्या ह्याच्यामुळं मला मार्गदर्शनामुळं मी चांगल्या ह्याच्यामध्ये लागायले. पहिला दारूधंदा करताना केसेस होत होते आणि खूप आपलातपर होत होती आमची. साहेबांनी भोसले साहेबांनी आणि हंचाटे साहेबांनी येऊन सनी आम्हाला सांगितलं, पटवून दिलं की हे परिणाम चांगले नाहीत, लेकरांवर परिणाम चांगले होणार नाहीत, नाव खराब होणार, मग लेकरांचं आयुष्य खराब होईल. त्याच्यामुळं त्यांनी मला चांगलं पटवून सांगितलं आता. त्याच्यामुळं मी ते धंदा बंद करून सनी हे करायला लागले. सातपुते मॅडमनी परिवर्तन ते मोहीम चालू केलं. त्याच्यामुळं भोसले साहेबांनी आणि हंचाटे साहेबांनी त्यांनी प्रोत्साहन केले आम्हाला. त्याच्याबद्दल मी खूप आभारी आहे डिपार्टमेंटची, कारण मला चांगल्या मार्गावर लावलेत त्यांनी.
He is Mr. Kalidas Birazdar, who was involved in country liquor trade. As soon as the campaign started, he shifted his business from liquor trading to a hotel and goat farming. Now he is living a happy life. He credited this to the Solapur Rural Police.
माझं नाव कालिदास शंकर बिराजदार. मी पहिला दारू विकत होतो आणि सोलापूरचे सातपुते मॅडम, SP मॅडम आणि वळसंगचे पोलीस स्टेशनचे भोसले साहेब आणि बेट हवालदार मंगणे साहेब आम्हाला येऊन ताकीद दिले बंद कर म्हणून. मी बंद केलो. मी शेळी उद्योग केलो आणि आमच्या घरचे हॉटेल करते ते मी शेळी घेऊन माझं चांगला चाललं आहे आणि पोलीस खात्यांचा मी आभार मानतो.
The police stations affiliated to Solapur Rural Police have also taken untiring efforts for the campaign. The police officers and staff have also actively assisted Tejasvi Satpute for the grand success of Operation Parivartan. API Atul Bhosle said that the campaign is getting very good response.
गेल्या 1 महिन्यापासून सोलापूर ग्रामीण पोलीस अधीक्षक आदरणीय तेजस्वी सातपुते मॅडम यांनी हातभट्टी विक्रेते तसेच हातभट्टी निर्माण करणाऱ्या अवैध व्यावसायिकांबाबत ऑपरेशन परिवर्तन ही मोहीम गेल्या 1 महिन्यापासून सुरू करण्यात आलेली आहे. त्या मोहिमेच्या अंतर्गत की वळसंग पोलीस ठाणे हद्दीत एकूण 7 अवैधरित्या हातभट्टीची दारू विक्री करणाऱ्यांचं परिवर्तन करण्यामध्ये आम्हाला यश प्राप्त झालेलं आहे. त्यामध्ये मुख्यत्वे कुंभारी गावातील एका महिलेने तिच्या पतीसोबत ऑनलाईन खरेदीच्या आधारावर रिलायन्सकडून उधारीवर कपडे घेऊन कपड्याचं दुकान सुरू केलं. त्याचबरोबर तेथील दोघांनी किराणा दुकान सुरुवात केलेली. एकाने त्याचं पारंपरिक वाद्य बँजो बँड याचा व्यवसाय सुरू केला. त्याचबरोबर दर्गनहारी गावातील हातभट्टी विक्रेता यांनी किराणा दुकान थाटलेलं आहे. तसेच धोत्री गावामध्ये देखील पती पत्नी दोघांनी मिळून किराणा दुकान सुरू केलेलं आहे. शिंगडगाव या गावामध्ये 2 परिवर्तन झाले. त्याच्यामध्ये एकाने 14 शेळी आणि एक हॉटेल शिवशंकर सुरू केलं. त्याचबरोबर दुसरा जो शिंगडगावमधील इसम आहे बिराजदार याने हॉटेल सुरू करून पेढा निर्माण करून पेढ्याची विक्री मोठ्या प्रमाणात करत आहे. त्याचबरोबर तिल्ल्या गावामध्ये देखील एक परिवर्तन आता आम्ही अंतिम स्टेजमध्ये आहे. अशा रीतीने जसे दिवस पुढे जात आहेत त्याच पद्धतीने आमचे प्रयत्नांना यश मिळत असताना दिसून येत आहे.
The duty of a police officer is to protect the righteous and punish the evil. But Solapur SP Tejasvi Satpute marched beyond this and persuaded evil to righteous, which is an epitome of community policing. She has brought light in the darker lives of these people and made them able to live a respectable life. She is the real Durga of 21st century.